how to reset network setting in and right. So hello guys, in this tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that you need to scroll. After that you need to simply click on top right corner setting option. Here you will simply type reset network. After that you will see reset network and Bluetooth settings, so you need to simply click on that. After that you will see the Z network and Bluetooth settings, so you need to simply click on that again. After that, click on OK or confirm, and there's it, your network will be resetted in your mobiles. Thanks for watching.